Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. What are you doing? You gonna kiss me? Can I have a kiss? I don't know if you could see me in the video, but I'm right up against the cage. Hi, sweetie. He comes right over to the front now to greet me. Hi, sweetie. And you see how he's like puffy, like his feathers? My friend said that means they're happy when their feathers are puffy out like that. If he got scared, they would get flat on his head. Hi, sweetie. I love you. Little Yoda. Are you a little Yoda? Happy you are. Happy you are. Maybe I could teach him to say that. Happy I am. Happy I am. Are you saying something? How you doing?